Hey guys, this is Amanda from SplitSum. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your account. I'm going to show you all the screens that I can show you from start to finish. The whole process should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes, but if you are feeling overwhelmed, just reach out and we'll help you set it up. So when you first log into SplitSum, this is the screen that you're going to see. So you have two options. You can either book a free call with us and we'll help you set it up, or you can set it up yourself. Obviously, on this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up yourself. So we'll click here. And so now you have to choose a plan. So if you fill out the questionnaire, you'll have whichever plan it recommended for you highlighted here. If you have just selected a plan from the homepage, that's what will be highlighted here, which is what we've got here. I've got tier 2 Pro. If you want to know the difference between these, just visit the website and it'll give you detailed explanation of all of these, which I'm not going to cover here. So the next thing to decide is how your payments work. If you're not sure, just pick standard payments and you can always change it later. The main difference between the two is who pays the fees and like who owns the payment. It doesn't really matter because the payments are split like that, but depending on your business setup, you might prefer direct payments. So for example, if your setup is that your contractors have their own card readers and they take their own payments and thus are paying their own card fees, you want to select direct payments because that most closely matches your setup. If you have like a sort of shared till where multiple people can be added to one payment, you use standard payments. If you want to know more about that, or if you're not sure, you can always just set up with standard payments and then reach out and we can help you decide because you can always switch this later on. So for this, I'm just going to go standard payments. So the next thing you need to do is connect your Stripe account. Now you might be wondering, like, why do I have to do this? Like, why can't I just click and it's connected? Because there's a couple of steps involved here. The reason is because SplitSum gives you your own platform instead of having you be a branch underneath SplitSum. This is better for you, the business, I think, because you own your own Stripe account. You own all the transactions. You own everything instead of another business potentially profiting off of that and leveraging it. So there's a couple of steps. It's really not that complicated, but like I said, if you get confused at any way, we'll help you set it up. So if it's your first time using Stripe, what you're going to do is click the link, sign in, create an account, sign in, and if it's your first time, you just want to make sure that you add your business information, your bank details for your business, and verify your identity. You'll be prompted a little bit later to verify your identity, but it's a good idea to do those. And so now when you're ready to connect SplitSum to your Stripe account, you come here, open Stripe and sign in, and then you click here that you've opened Stripe to sign in. Now the next thing you have to do is enable connect accounts, and this is what allows your business to have its own platform within Stripe. So the connect accounts will be your contractor accounts and they will enter their own business information into Stripe. So you just have to turn this on. So this setup screen in Stripe changes sometimes. So what I'm going to do is insert a video of this being done before. But the most important thing is that you just carefully read over here and select the thing that closely matches. If you get confused at all, give us a call or email us with any screenshots and we'll help you. But the gist is that you have to select buyers or purchase from you. Payouts can be split between sellers. Onboarding is hosted by Stripe, and you select Express Dashboard for the account management. So once you've done all that, you come back here and you click I've completed this setup. So now you have to add your publishable key. The publishable key is super easy to find. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and this will take you to your API key page in your Stripe account. And so we're going to scroll down here to standard keys. You see publishable key. So I'm going to click here, copy it, and then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to paste it. And that's it. And then I click I've added my publishable key. Now on to this is this one's a little bit more complex. So this is your restricted key. It's a little bit a bit cumbersome to have to do, just because it requires a couple of steps. But Stripe requires this, so it's just necessary, unfortunately. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this button, and this starts the whole process of creating the key for you, so that once you get to the page, all you have to do is like tick these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this. Okay, so you can see here, create restricted key. I'm going to bring this window out here and make it smaller. And then I'm going to make this one smaller so that we can see all of these. Okay. I'm going to move myself over here. Okay. Okay, so first things first, if you get to this point and you do not have this connect permissions here, go back because you didn't set up your connect accounts properly, and just start from that step over. Okay, so basically what we need to do is, so we need core here, read, I'm gonna click right on all of these. And then we keep scrolling down to billing we need. Scroll down. Checkout, we're gonna click that, right for both. And connect, we're just gonna click right, it's only one column. We don't need any of these. Okay. No financial connections. Where's the next one? Issuing. So we're going to click right on these. Payment links we need, right? Okay. Terminal we need, right, on both. And webhook endpoints we need, right. Okay, now that's it. Now we click create key. And we're gonna see our key that we just created. And we're gonna click copy. I'm gonna close this and go back here. Now we paste it here. And then we click save. Great, so now we get this notice that our account has been created. Now you're prompted to create a contractor account. If this might not show for you, we have some users, if their account's not fully set up, like it will skip this. But either way, you can skip it for now. You don't have to do it just yet. But basically, all you need to enter for your contractors is their first name, last name, email address, and the percentage that your business will receive from every payment. So you can put this in as a percentage, just numbers, and you can put decimal places if you need to. So I'm going to skip this step for now. So then you have to add your card details to continue setting up. So you can enter your details and add now if you want a seamless experience, or you can skip this step and you can still trial out the platform, but your plan will abruptly end after 14 days if you do not add your payment method before then. So just for the sake of example, we'll just skip this step for now. And again, it will be a 14-day trial. This is just our testing server. And that's it. You're set up. So basically, if you haven't added a contractor in that step, you'll be prompted to add a contractor and accept your first payment. The next things to naturally do are to add a cashier, add a location, and then take your payment. So if you want to know anything else about accepting payments, you can check out our other videos, but this is basically how you get yourself set up. And I hope you enjoy splitting your payments.